Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You check your phone and your bank account shows millions. Your wallet is stuffed with cash. You walk down to the local grocery store to buy some bread and milk, but the shopkeeper looks at your cash, shakes his head and says, "Sorry mate, I can't take this paper. Do you have an egg or a can of soup? I'll trade you for that?" Yes, you heard that right. What if in a split second, every currency, every banknote, and every digital dollar on earth suddenly became completely worthless? No banks, no ATMs, and your lifetime savings reduced to mere scrap paper. Over the next 20 minutes, we're going to step into a terrifying yet shockingly realistic world that will challenge everything you think you know. If money disappears, will humanity survive, or will we plunge back into the dark ages? Stick around until the very end, because this video is about to change your perspective on reality forever. In the first 24 hours of money becoming worthless, global society would experience absolute shock. Initially, people will think it's a temporary glitch or a bad joke, but the moment they realize they can't buy gas, medicine, or food with their money, sheer panic will set in. The hardest hit will be the cities. While rural areas have crops and livestock, cities rely entirely on complex supply chains. By hour 12, supermarkets will be completely emptied. People will start hoarding everything they can get their hands on. Looting will inevitably break out. And think about this, the police and law enforcement won't show up to stop it. Why would they? They were paid in money, and that money can no longer feed their own families. On day one, humanity will realize a brutal truth. You cannot eat gold, and you cannot survive on paper. To understand what happens next, we have to ask a fundamental question. What actually is money? That paper note in your pocket has no intrinsic value. It only works because of a collective illusion, a shared belief between you, the government, and society that it holds value. The moment that trust shatters, it's just ink on cellulose. So how do we survive without it? Humanity will instantly default back thousands of years to the barter system, the direct exchange of goods and services. Imagine walking into a market with a brand new iPhone, desperate for food. You offer it to a farmer for a sack of rice. The farmer looks at you and says, "What am I going to do with a piece of metal and glass? It doesn't grow food. Bring me a gallon of fuel and we'll talk." Overnight, luxury items, diamonds, and high-end tech become utterly useless. The new wealth will be measured in essentials: rice, wheat, clean water, antibiotics, and solar panels. The person with a backyard full of chickens will be the new billionaire. A few weeks into this new reality, the world as we know it completely stalls. The power grids will fail because power plant workers have no incentive to show up. The internet goes down. Mobile networks vanish. The modern world goes dark. And this is when the ultimate power shift happens. The CEOs, hedge fund managers, and tech moguls who ruled the world, their digital empires vanish into thin air. The new hierarchy of power will belong to three groups. First, the producers, farmers, and homesteaders who actually know how to grow food. Second, the healers, doctors and nurses who possess the medical knowledge to keep people alive. And third, the protectors, those who have the means and coordination to protect resources. Cities will become completely unlivable. Garbage will pile up, sewage systems will overflow, and diseases will begin to spread. A mass migration will begin as millions of city dwellers flee toward the countryside in desperate search of food and safety. 6 months in, human resilience takes over. The initial chaos subsides and new communities begin to form. But humans will quickly realize that the barter system has a massive flaw called the coincidence of wants. If I have shoes but need medicine, I have to find a doctor who specifically needs shoes. It's incredibly inefficient. And to solve this, humanity will do what it has always done: invent a new currency. History proves this happens every time a system collapses. In ancient times, people used seashells or salt as currency. In war-torn prisons, inmates used cigarettes or mackerel cans as money. In our post-money world, people might adopt ammunition, canned goods, or standardized silver coins as the new universal currency. Small, self-governing territories will emerge, and humanity will slowly begin the long journey of rebuilding civilization from scratch. While this scenario sounds like a Hollywood post-apocalyptic movie, history shows us it's closer to reality than we think. Look at the hyperinflation crises in Weimar Germany, Zimbabwe, or Venezuela, where people literally needed a wheelbarrow full of cash just to buy a single loaf of bread. This thought experiment teaches us a profound lesson. The money we stress over, fight over, and spend our entire lives chasing is a fragile concept. True wealth isn't the number in your bank account. True wealth is your practical skills, your health, your community, and your ability to adapt when the world turns upside down. If the financial system collapsed tonight, what skill do you have that would make you valuable in a world without money? Let me know in the comments below. If this video made you think, hit that like button, share it with someone to blow their mind, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the extremes of human reality. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.